find the people on those teams that are maybe at your level, like at your reporting line, or maybe like just one above you, so they're not like the direct hiring manager, because
Right.
they'll kind of they'll give you like the real like information you need to know to kind of get through the process and be successful on the team. And I know when someone approaches me like from another team and wants to be on my team, like I want to tell them what they need to say to get the job, just because like that's kind of, you know, I like seeing people be successful, and usually people on the other side like the same. So I know at my company, if there's an opening, if we put an opening for a job, you know, there's usually enough information in that where you can go look up the team on our internal site, and you can find who the associates and analysts are. And, you know, if I know them already, that's great. We can kind of get that going. Or if I don't know them already and I know someone who knows them, I can have them reach out. Or it's just kind of being a little bit more strategic than just like dropping in your resume in the bucket and hoping they call you back.
Yeah, that's the easy way, dropping your resume in the bucket and hoping. And I think especially in the economy we're about to head into, recession, hopefully not depression, I think it's important even more now to be proactive about who you know, about kind of before, you know, not being lazy about just dropping your resume out. It's really just lazy. It's partly because they're shy or and they think, oh, it's awkward. What would you say to make it less awkward? You talked about golf. Like, what if you're not a golfer? Like, what other ways could you just kind of get time with these people if you don't know them?
So when I was referring to golf and like anything you do, you know, whatever team you're on, you should be making friends with the people that are your age in the office around you, whatever team they're on. I think just having that network. I did it by playing golf, and there's a good group of us, and we're always looking for guys that can kind of come out and play. And when they're on a new team that we haven't met someone on before, like that's great. But
You have
like
to be
whatever you like to
be
do.
good at golf to go play.
Actually, we prefer probably being bad at golf might make you more friends. We hate the guy who's too good.
Honestly, you guys would love me.